Today we're checking out the 2025 Citroen e-C3, a genuine game-changer in the affordable EV market. With prices starting under £22,000, this compact electric crossover might just be the breakthrough budget-conscious drivers have been waiting for. Let's start with what makes the e-C3 special. Citroen has completely reimagined its popular C3 model, transforming it from a conventional hatchback into a taller, more confident crossover SUV. It stands 10 centimeters taller than its predecessor, giving it a commanding presence that belies its budget-friendly price tag. Power comes from a modest 113 horsepower electric motor paired with a 44 kilowatt-hour battery pack. While these numbers won't set your pulse racing, they deliver perfectly adequate performance for daily driving with enough zip for confident highway merging. The official range stands at 199 miles. Though real-world driving suggests 150 to 160 miles is more realistic. Charging capabilities are respectable for this price point, with a maximum fast charging rate of 100 kilowatts allowing for a 20 to 80% charge in approximately 26 minutes. Home charging from a standard wall box takes around 6 hours for a full charge. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the benefits of this increased height. Headroom is exceptional throughout the cabin, and 4 adults can travel in reasonable comfort. The elevated seating position provides excellent visibility, making the e-C3 perfect for navigating busy urban environments. Citroen has worked wonders with the interior, cleverly disguising cost-cutting measures with thoughtful design choices. A stylish fabric strip runs across the dashboard, breaking up what would otherwise be a sea of hard plastics. The simplified digital instrument display shows only essential information, while the responsive 10.3-inch touchscreen handles entertainment duties with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard across the range. Perhaps most impressive is Citroen's commitment to comfort. The e-C3 features the brand's advanced comfort suspension system with hydraulic bump stops, and it genuinely delivers. Potholes and road imperfections that would unsettle most competitors are soaked up with impressive composure. In an era where many manufacturers chase sportiness at the expense of ride quality, this focus on comfort is truly refreshing. It's worth noting that the e-C3 lacks a heat pump, which means winter driving will likely see a significant reduction in range. If you live in a colder climate and frequently make longer journeys, this is something to consider. On the road, the e-C3 prioritizes comfort over sportiness. The steering is light and uncomplicated, making urban navigation a breeze. Body roll is noticeable in corners, and the overall driving experience won't excite enthusiasts. But that's clearly not the e-C3's mission. For city commuting and relaxed cruising, it excels. The 310-liter boot offers enough space for weekly shopping or a couple of suitcases, though the high-load lip might make loading heavier items a challenge. Citroen offers just 2 trim levels, Plus and Max. Even the base Plus model comes well-equipped with essentials like air conditioning, smartphone integration, and key safety features. Stepping up to the Max trim adds climate control, heated seats, and a wireless charging pad for a reasonable 1,700-pound premium. Is the e-C3 perfect? Not quite. The limited range might be a deal-breaker for some. The top speed is capped at 84 miles per hour, and those seeking driving thrills should look elsewhere. But what the e-C3 does brilliantly is democratize electric vehicle ownership. For urban dwellers seeking an affordable entry into electric motoring with genuine practicality and exceptional comfort, the Citroen e-C3 represents a significant milestone. It sets a new benchmark for value that competitors will struggle to match, and for that reason alone, it deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.